Journey with Jesus, Day 97, the Transfiguration. Beloved Son. When an event is in more than one of the synoptics, I refer to Burton Throckmorton's Gospel Parallels, a comparison of the synoptic Gospels. He shows the three Gospels in columns, verse by verse and side by side. I can see how an account differs from the others. For example, when Matthew and Luke use Mark, when they use Q, and when they use unique sources or multiple ones. I am using it today as I reflect on the Transfiguration. I see that Luke adds a few verses in between verses 4 and 5 of Mark, and Matthew adds a couple of verses in between verses 7 and 8 of Mark. You can read the Gospels. Let's see what Luke and Matthew added, and if we can figure out why. Luke adds verses 31 and 32 to Mark. He emphasizes that Moses and Elijah appeared in glory and were speaking about Jesus' departure, which would take place soon in Jerusalem. He adds that Peter and the others were tired, but stayed awake. Because this is not in Matthew, we assume Luke had a unique source. This source, either in writing or from a person's testimony, revealed things Mark doesn't tell us, what Jesus's visitors spoke about, and that Peter is a reliable witness. I'm glad he did it. It gives us a clue about how the Father and Jesus communicated with one another. Matthew adds in verses 6 and 7 that Peter, James, and John fell to the ground out of fear, but Jesus touched them and said, "Get up and do not be afraid." I'm also glad he did. It tells us about Jesus's relationship with these apostles.